Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Ethan, and today I'm back in another video. And today I'm kind of like starting a new series. I'm gonna start playing Animal Jam. Oh, sorry, voice crack there. I'm gonna start playing Animal Jam, and I'm just gonna be buying a lot of things, just going around and finding stuff. So that's basically what I'm gonna do. So I'm a member. All right, so let's go into Animal Jam. And I am kind of sick, not really, but so you're gonna hear me coughing, so sorry for that too. Like right now, and my dog Bentley's in here. Hi Bentley. He's freaking out because he doesn't know who I'm talking to. All right, so yeah. All right. Hurry up and load, hurry up. And it'll be like the first episode. And I'm gonna buy a lot of things because I got 500 more safaris. So this is me right now. Here. I have a lot of things. Look at this. Alright, so I have this. Look at it. And I got a moose. Close. And the Santa set is complete. And saber-toothed tiger. Hyena. He's still dressed in Halloween stuff. Sorry, forgot to change him. And he's astronaut set. And this is Komodo dragon. Pretty sure that's the first one I. Oh wait, there's over here. Oh yeah, these ones. Dire wolf. Oh, he's still dressed in Halloween. Oh, they're both dressed in Halloween. Yeah, bro, the Diamond Line 100. Actually, yeah, let's like dress them up for the Diamond Line 100. So let's go to the Jam Art clothing shop and see if they have any like diamonds here or something like that. Let's see. Diamonds. Stretch up diamonds. I know it's slow to. Yeah, okay, there's no diamonds. Alright, let's just try to maybe find something that resembles a diamond. I honestly don't know. Alright, let's just dress them up Christmassy then. Oh my god, it's being really laggy today. Oh, is that a set? Oh no, it's not a set. I thought it was a set. I like completing sets. Alright, reindeer slippers? You know I gotta buy that. Let's see, which color? I think the brown color would do just fine. Yeah, brown color. Okay, bought. This looks pretty cool, actually. Let's get that. Let's get this hat. It's a worn hat, but it's fine. Should we get this? I'm wondering. 1,650, 800. Let me see how it will look on me. Oh, it's gonna look like that. I feel like the fur of the lion's gonna cover it up, so I'm not gonna buy that now. Or maybe later. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That looks pretty cool. And look with this tail. It's such a little tail. You can like have this. Oh wait, no, I want this thing. Alright, and this is my little pet. It's a reindeer. Yeah, that's pretty cool actually. Alright. Alright, so what we're gonna do. Alright, we're gonna be dressed up as this. Is that a freaking watermelon in the background? Like, I'm serious, I just saw a freaking watermelon in the background. I think he just went into the game. Oh no, I don't want to play that. No. All right. Oh yeah, these. Let me see if there's. Let's see if there's cool animals. Maybe there's something cool I can buy. Wait, there's a coyote? Hold up. Hold on, my dog is crying out the door. Let me let him out. Alright, I let him out, guys. Yo, look at that coyote. That looks freaking awesome. Let's move that. Alright, let's buy that. Let's see, what should the name be? Looks like random. Fuzzy. I think we can like maybe change this. Bright. Pause. Wait, no, I didn't mean to click that. Oh, where should I go? I'm just gonna go crazy, right? Oh, I didn't get it. Alright, let me see. Cougar, net, cheetah? That actually might be pretty cool. There's an otter. I'm buying the otter. Alright, I'm just gonna pat everyone that looks good. No! It's not available. Snow leopard. That should be available. What? It's almost freaking Christmas. It should be available, dang it. Alright. Cheetah. If this isn't available. Polar bear. Why isn't any of these freaking... Okay, fine, forget it. Okay, so let's dress up our coyote. Like Coyote Peterson, I could put him like in this cool hat, maybe. That would be cool, actually. Alright, where is our coyote? Here he is. Fuzzy Bright Peach. I kind of like that name. Alright. Let's dress it up. Alright, let's see. Let me see what looks good. Oh, that actually looks pretty cool, maybe. Like an archer. Ooh. I think I might go with that one right there. Let's see. I'm doing that tail. That is a maybe. That is a yes. That is a yes. Dang, I was pretty good with this actually. See, this is stuff from Halloween. Ooh, wait, with the Mara wings. That looks pretty cool. Yeah, okay, I'm keeping that. Alright, well, we just got a new animal, coyote. Look at this coyote, guys. I think I'm kind of pretty satisfied. Well, let's go dance right here. Ooh, let me dance. Bum 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 bum. Oh wait, you know what? I need to see if there's any new pets. That would be very cool if there's any like new pets. Let's see. These are all the pets I have. There's some pets from Halloween. These are all the pets I have though. Alright, let's look for another pet. See if there's any cool pets. Pet Arctic wolf. You know I'm getting that. Yes, and it's perfect like that. That's freaking perfect. Random. Ocean sprinkles. Freaking yes. Adopt. I gotta sneeze. Alright. Ocean sprinkles. Favorite toy. Arctic wolf moon. Favorite foods. Stuffing. Personality relaxed, rough, and forgetful. Like me. Okay. I'm forgetful. Alright. So we need to search up Arctic wolf's moon to lighten him up. And you know what? I'm gonna let's see. That'd be pretty good if it. Oh, the back scales? No. Leave in the comments if the pet leaf helmet looks pretty good. I don't know about that. Nah. Yeah, I like this the best. I don't know if I like that. Let's go shopping. See if there's anything else cool. Alright, let's go to... Oh. We're completing that. Okay. This looks freaking awesome. So we're gonna get that. Oh, the antlers. That looks pretty cool. Oh, earmuffs. Earmuffs. Get earmuffs. Alright, it's gonna be the end of the video, guys. I have to go. Alright. Bye.
Is the end of the video. Please subscribe and go now, please.
Minecraft.